Hey, we'll be doing our pen practice, and I'm not going to really do much in this video except just to explain how to approach this. So what you're going to do is you have all these three reference pictures here, and you're going to basically copy the little drawing over here in the next box that it goes with. And then you're going to use the pen technique here to match the value in the drawing that you see on the reference picture on the left. So the reference eye is going to be cross-hatched in this box, and then we're going to draw the lips and stipple them, and then we're going to draw that nose and scumble the nose. Cross-hatching is like it's like a crisscross hatching. We did it last time. Stippling is the little dots, and then scumbling is like that more scribbly kind of pen technique. Now I'm giving you guys this little handout because I thought it would help you kind of see how to go about this. First, you start drawing in your the body part, the facial part, just very lightly with your pencil, and then yeah, you take your pen and you start using your technique to get the values, the shading of the eye. And as you can see, what's really important to notice is that even though this one is cross hatching, and usually our cross hatching lines are nice and flat, they still follow the form of this eye. So this is somebody's eye, and faces are round and eyes are round. So you'll notice that the cross hatching is done in kind of a round way so that we still pay attention to the three-dimensional form of that eye. Okay, and so you can actually like look over this closely and notice how they go step by step. And it's really not too hard. It looks very complicated, but it's really not that bad. Okay. So you're gonna go ahead and do your own cross-hatched eye here, and then when you go to do the lips, stipple them. Pay attention to where things are lighter and darker, and same thing with the scumbled nose. Just remember that with all of these different techniques, whether it's cross-hatching or stippling or scumbling, the tighter that you put your lines or your dots together or your scribbles, the tighter those lines are, or those marks are, the darker it looks. The more that you crosshatch on top of itself, it becomes darker and darker. The closer together that you stipple and you put your little dots, then the darker it's going to seem. So this area in here with these lips where it's totally black, you're going to have to go in there and actually like put dots to completely like just touching each other so that you can create that black value. With the scribbles here, for these darker parts in here, you're going to have to scribble very, very tightly. And then for the lighter parts, you have to scribble more loosely. So go ahead and, give this a shot. I'm going to work on mine now, and good luck. Match the values that you see and use the techniques that are given in each box. And draw it first lightly in pencil, and then go over it with your technique.